Hello, this is That Fishing Dude. This is my fishing bike setup. This is the Schwinn 15-speed road bike. I got a headlight on there, a headlight and a brake light kit for $19.99 from the Amazon. This headlight is 1200 lumens, and underneath of it, where the charging port is, also charges your phone. Okay, let's go back here. Back brake light, nothing fancy. It's 3 or 4, I don't know, configurations for the light. Here, it wouldn't fit on the basket, so I got a piece of tubing, cut it 4 or 5 inches, fastened it with zip ties, put the hole straight through it with a drill, 2 holes straight through it, and zip tied it to the basket. So I'm gonna fix it to the tubing, because that light's set up to go on the back of the seat post. Okay, here's the setup for the fishing. $2.50 fishing rod holder from Walmart. 2 big zip ties and a little black zip tie. Sturdy, and I did a Velcro strap with a buckle to hold it in there nice and sturdy. There's the rod there. Here I have a bait caster, extra heavy, Abu Garcia Pro Max bait caster with a Velcro strap there, and I fed it through the squares of the bike basket there. Sturdy, not going anywhere. Then that's it. So, but I fixed it up a little bit, put new tires on it, and a new seat, new Schwinn seat. The other one didn't have any padding. And that is it. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.